Welcome to Lusora. We believe that every child can explore, create, and build in their own way. This is a guided building experience designed to support calm, focused, hands-on play. Today, we are going to build a bridge with 2 towers. We will build step by step using touch and gentle guidance. Move at your own pace. Find 1 square tile. Hold it so it is standing on one edge, not flat. Pause. Now connect 3 more square tiles. One by one. Keep them standing upright, connected side to side. Pause. Feel your shape with both hands. You now have an open cube with no top and no bottom. Now find 4 more square tiles. Attach them on top of the cube, 1 on each side. You are building the 2nd level. Pause. Explore your shape with your hands. Your tower is now taller. Take 4 more square tiles. Attach them again on top, 1 by 1. One of these squares can be a window tile. Pause. Feel your tower. It should now feel tall and open inside. Now find 4 triangle tiles with equal sides. Take 1 triangle and attach it to the top edge. Make sure it is pointing upward. Repeat this on each side. Pause. Now gently bring the sides together so they meet at the top. Feel the magnets connect. Pause. You have created a pointed roof. Now build another tower exactly the same way. Take your time. When you are ready, place the 2nd tower close to the 1st one. Move both towers so they are close to each other, with a small gap in between. Now find 2 square tiles. Place them flat between the towers, between the 2nd and 3rd levels. Connect 1 tower to the other. Pause. These squares should sit horizontally, forming a bridge. Feel how both towers are now connected. Use your hands to explore the full structure. You should feel 2 tall towers, a flat bridge between them, and pointed roofs on top. You have created a bridge with 2 towers. With Lusora, building is about exploration, confidence, and imagination through touch. Well done.